In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move measures to another table in Power BI. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your model or group all your calculations in one place, moving measures to a different table is a quick and safe way to do it. A measure is a calculation written in DAX, and while it can reference any tables it needs, it still lives under a single home table in your fields list. Changing that home table helps with organization and makes your model easier to navigate, especially in larger reports. Start by expanding the data pane in your report so you can see the list of tables and fields on the right. Find the measure you want to move and click it once to select it. You'll know it's a measure because it typically shows a calculator icon and it won't have data rows like a column does. The moment you select a measure, Power BI brings up the measure tools in the ribbon at the top of the window. That's your confirmation you've selected the right kind of object. With the measure selected, look along the ribbon for the Home Table dropdown. This control tells Power BI which table the measure is listed under in the Fields pane. Click the dropdown, and you'll see all the tables available in your model. Choose the table where you want this measure to live. As soon as you make your selection, Power BI updates the measure's home table. You'll notice it now appears under the new table in the Fields pane, but nothing else about the calculation changes. This move doesn't change the logic of the measure. It doesn't move any data, and it doesn't break relationships. It simply reassigns where the measure is shown for organizational purposes. Your DAX references, filters, and visuals will continue to work exactly as before. If you don't see the measure tools or the home table dropdown, double-check that you've clicked a measure and not a column or a table. Those don't have a home table setting. A few helpful tips as you work. Many modelers keep a dedicated measures table to centralize calculations, which can make large models much easier to maintain. Display folders can further group related measures inside a table for cleaner navigation. And if you're collaborating, consistent naming and placement of measures goes a long way toward making your reports intuitive. And there you go. By selecting the measure, opening the measure tools, and choosing a new home table from the dropdown, you've cleanly moved your measure without changing how it behaves. That's all you need to keep your model neat and efficient